This is a spotted mackerel. You can tell by the spots on it. Caught fresh yesterday. A beautiful fish in really good condition. It was gutted for me, but other than that, whole. So I'm going to do a couple of things with this guy. I want curry, and I also want some cutlets. So first, remove the head. You just lift this fin back and cut right into the corner of the head. See that? That way you don't waste anything. And down, and then you just pop the head back and it'll break off. Keep it because that'll make a good curry. Then next, I want to pick the best pieces for the cutlets. So where the belly is, just at the end of the belly, you can cut the fish into a trunk, and you'll see that is beautiful flesh. And then that way you don't have that little gap where all the body is, and I can where the belly was, and I can use that for curry. So now I'm just going to go down the fins and just trim all the way down. This just makes it easier doing it like this now rather than having to do it to each individual piece. Makes it cleaner. I mean, really, you don't have to, but it's a nice clean way to do it. And then just with the tail, there's another little fin there. You just cut that off and up. Other than that, mackerels don't really have any scales, so it's pretty easy. So I'll put my curry piece over here. Before you cut any fish, if there is any blood left, make sure you get rid of it, because it certainly will flavour the fish as well. And then just, it's so easy. This fish sure has a decent spine on it, but it's not too hard to cut through. So you just cut through till you can feel the bone, and then use the heel of your knife and just pat it down. And that's a beautiful cutlet. I mean, I don't even have to bang it down. These are about probably 200 gram cutlets. As you get to the smaller end, it's pointless cutting a really big, thick one like that. So just cut two, the same thickness, and that way it'll all cook the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 of us. I'm going to use this. And this fish was actually very cheap. $38 for the whole fish. Now, mackerel is an oily fish. So it's good with mackerel, if you're not going to make curry out of it, when you buy it, try and cook it pretty much the same day.